Hey future tech stars! Have you wondered what makes computer coding so cool and important for school students like you? Today, we'll see why learning coding, like the awesome Python language, can open up endless opportunities, boost your creativity, and make learning super fun. Ready to discover the magic of Python and how you can start with YTTA learning? Let's jump in. Step 1. Why should you start learning coding early? Coding is like a superpower. It helps you solve problems, think logically, and get creative. The earlier you start, the sharper your mind becomes. Who knows, you could even build your own game, website, or robot one day. Step 2. Why is Python the best place to begin? Python is super easy to learn, even for beginners. Its simple words make coding less scary and more fun. Plus, Python is used by big tech companies and in exciting fields like artificial intelligence, gaming, and web design. So, learning Python gives you skills for today and tomorrow. Step 3. What are the benefits of learning Python early? It's not just about coding. It helps you in maths, science, and even teamwork. You'll be more confident, better at solving problems, and ready for any tech challenge. And honestly, it's super fun to show off your coding projects to friends and family. Want to get started? Join our Python courses at YTTA Learning. We offer flexible timings from basic to advanced levels, so you can learn at your own pace anytime. Our friendly teachers make coding simple and enjoyable. Check the description box for our contact details. Ready to unlock your coding superpowers with Python? Join YTTA Learning today and become a tech wizard, all while having loads of fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome learning tips. Let's code your future together.